The biggest difference is what they do with their first $100. A poor mindset sees money as a tool for consumption. They buy stuff that loses value the moment they leave the store. A rich mindset sees money as a seed. They don't see $100. They see a potential $1,000 in 5 years. One person buys a luxury watch to look rich. The other buys shares in the watch company to be rich. Can't afford it versus how can I afford it? When a person with a poor mindset sees a high-ticket item, they say, I can't afford that. This phrase is a brain killer. It shuts down your creativity. The rich mindset asks, how can I afford it? This forces your brain to work. This forces your brain to look for solutions, side hustles, or investment strategies. One is a dead-end street. The other is a map to a new destination. Linear income versus scalable income. The poor mindset believes the only way to make more money is to work more hours. But here is the hard truth. Your time is limited. Rich mindsets focus on leverage. They build systems, write books, or create digital products. They invest in businesses where their income is detached from their time. They stop trading hours for dollars and start trading value for wealth. Fear of failure versus fear of regret. Most people stay broke because they are terrified of losing. They play the game of money on defense. But in the world of wealth, no mistakes usually means no progress. The rich mindset knows that failure is just a tuition fee for success. They would rather try and fail than look back in 20 years and ask, what if? Instant versus delayed gratification. The poor mindset wants the reward now, the dinner, the clothes, the status. They sacrifice their future for a Saturday night. The rich mindset is the master of delayed gratification. They are willing to live like no one else now, so they can live like no one else later. The best part? Your mindset isn't permanent. It's a muscle. You can start training it today. Which mindset are you choosing today? If you're ready to switch to the rich mindset, type growth in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay on the path to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.